Hi, this is Kishore. I want to tell about the duplicates elements which are present in an array. So first, you create the class name whatever you want to give. Then after public static void main string array arguments, then we are creating an array with reference variable arr, and we are defining integers I, j, n. We are giving n is the length of the array. So length is a property of array which is not a method. But in case of strings, length is a method. Our aim is to print the duplicate elements. First, you take a loop, for loop, and iterate the all elements of array. For that, we are taking it I is equal 0 means for 0 index we have the value 1. In first iteration, okay, again you are taking one another loop. The another loop is starting with j, I plus 1 position. If I is equal to 0 in first case, the j value will be 1, means 1 is compared with 2. 1 is compared with 2. If 1 and 2 both are equal, then print that value. Otherwise, if not equal, then leave it. Again you compare 1 with 3, means 0 index is compared with second index value. The value is 3. 1 is not equal to 3, then it's not true. 1 is again compared with 2. 0 index is compared with index 3. This is also not equal. 1 is compared with 3 is not equal. 1 is compared with 4, it is also not equal. Now here the one value is doesn't have duplicate values. 1 is a unique value. Then 2, then I is equal to 2, I is equal to 1. In that place the iteration starts from index 2, sorry, index 1. In index 1 we have 2 value. 2 value, when I is equal to 1, then j is equal to I plus 1 means 2. J is equal to 2 means 2 is compared with 3 in first iteration. Both 2 and 3 are not equal. Then if 2 is again compared with 2, here 2 and 2 both are equal, then the output gives the duplicate value 2. Again its value will be iterated. 2 is compared with 3, false. 2 is compared with 4, false. Then out of loop it comes again for I is equal I loop. I value becomes 2. When I value becomes 2, j value becomes 3. J value becomes 3. When 3 value is compared with 2, the value of both are not equal. Again next iteration 3 value is compared with 3. In this case both values are equal. Then the output prints system.out.println prints array of I. Array of I means 3. 3 value is duplicate here because both are equal. Again the loop is iterated. Now I value becomes 4. In this case 3 is compared with 4. Yes, 3 is compared with 4 is not equal. 3 is compared with 4 is not equal. Then it comes back, it's going again. Oh, condition fails. Then it prints output like when you run it, you get the output. I think we have forward console. So we are seeing that the output, the duplicate values are 2 and 3. Here 2 is repeated twice, 3 is repeated twice, 1 and 4 are not repeated. So thank you.